2. Assembling the printer stand. 1. Take out right stand and turn it upside down. 2. Take out feet, keep jagged side in bind, and tighten the screws. 3. Assembling the left stand as the same steps above. 3. Assembling roller system. 1. Put the right stand leg on floor. Be sure the access hole side upward. 2. Pull out a connector from the access hole in the leg. Attach it to the receptacle on the sensor bracket. Screw the sensor bracket to the leg. 4. Unpacking printer body. 1. Take out printer body. 2. Remove wrap page. 3. Put the body upside down. 5. Assembling printer. 1. Pull out the take-up rolling system plug. 2. Pull out the other end of take-up rolling system plug from the right stand. 3. Connect the take-up rolling system plug in body with the plug in right stand leg. Tighten the screws. 4. Assemble the left stand leg the same as the above. 5. 2 persons lift the printer by ends and make sure it stand up. 6. Assembling the bracket for dryer. 7. Up-end the dryer on top of the dryer bracket. Take away the screws on the dryer and turn over the dryer to get it in the right position. Fix the dryer with screws on the bracket. 8. Plug the drying cable. 9. Remove the plastic belt holding carriage. 10. Install service station. 11. Install reservoir. 12. Install print media. 'Install the media on the scroll, then fix. 6. Filling ink. 1. Open the ink bottle. 2. Unscrew the cap of reservoir. Pour in the ink with matched color. Please be noted that do not add too much. Keep about 400 ml is much better. 3. Same steps as above to fill ink of other colors. 7. Installing inkjet cartridge. 1. Recommend Letai inkjet cartridge. Connect syringe with needle. Infuse 25 ml ink into Letai cartridge slowly. Too quick will press ink with air spurting out. 2. Initiate ink. Connect the tube needle on carriage with the syringe back connector. 3. Pull backward the stopcock of syringe slowly. Draw ink from the reservoir along with ink tube into syringe until 5 ml. 4. Stop and contact ink. Flex the ink tube at carriage end, avoiding segment flows. Remove the syringe. Insert the ink needle into the hole in top of the cartridge and tighten it. Slightly turning can tighten it. Emphatically will break it easily. 5. Prepare to pump ink. Remove the blue tape from the cartridge. Hold the rocker blotter by left hand and insert the cartridge into the rocker blotter. Be sure in the position to protect the cartridge chip. 6. Insert the syringe into the sealing pad of rocker blotter. Start to draw ink. Do not tilt the cartridge up higher than a 45-degree angle. Keep the filter immersed in ink will be much better, or they will come out a lot of air bubbles effect printing. Be sure before you pour out the syringe, the bubble in syringe should be reduced and the ink flow into syringe continuously, and then wait more than 10 seconds so as to avoid airflow backwards. 7. Check effect of pumping ink. Wipe the jet plate with a soft paper after drawing ink. If it bleeds continually, which means it's successful for this drawing ink, install other 3 cartridges same as above. 8. Connect power supply with the printer and power. 9. Connect parallel cable with the printer and computer. 10. Turn printer, node media. 11. Insert the media's noding edge into the back of printer. Wait 3 seconds. The printer will sense the presence of the media and fill it automatically. 12. Adjust the paper edge guide and tighten it with 1 mm margin with the medium edge, which avoid media feeding deflected. 8. Adjustment. 1. Cleaning. Choose Utility menu. Cleaning. It will show the inkjet state of 4 inkjet cartridges and every 2 and 8 spray orifices. 2. Do color calibration after first step. Choose Utility menu. Color calibration. Calibrate test. To test the 4 inkjet cartridges. First, vertical calibration. Take sign vertical for example. Observe the calibration pattern. Select the lines of one group, which are the most aligning to black lines. Remember the group number and input the number to printer. Among all the sign lines, we can see group -6 should be chosen. So adjust the siren vertical value to -6 in the display. Press Save. Do the calibration to other 3 colors with the same method. Horizontal calibration, the same as vertical calibration. Take sign horizontal for example. Select the group whose lines are aligned the most. Adjust to this group number in the display. Do the calibration to other 3 colors with the same method. Color DB calibration. Choose Utility menu, Calibration menu, Color DB menu, Color DB test. It will print a test pattern. Take Black DB for example. Select the straightest lines on one group and input the group number to printer. After observation, we find out 7 should be chosen. Press Black DB in display. Adjust the value to 7. Then press Save. To Color DB calibration to the other 3 colors with the same method. After finish all the calibrations, to Color DB test again to check whether it has been calibrated well. Choose Utility menu, Service menu, Calibration menu, Color DB test. The printer will print a pattern showing the setup value. If the 4 colors nearly in the same straight line, that means we've calibrated well. Do test print to the printer. Choose Utility menu, Service menu, Test print. It will print all the test pattern. We could examine whether need more calibration in order to get better quality images. 3. Turn on the dryer. 9. Paper axis test. Choose Utility menu, Calibration menu, Paper axis test. The printer will print on the paper automatically. Test the full size after printing, and input the size into Paper axis test menu to replace origin value. 10. Factory reset of motherboard. Choose Utility menu, Calibration menu. Press the 4th key, then select 1, 6, 7, 5, 3, and choose Clear NVRAM. Clock reset. Then the system will reset to English system. Restart printer and do the following settings.